In these economically difficult times, what could be more suitable than SafeTech's free alarm installation program? SafeTech has designed a program that is suitable for all budgets. We install an alarm at no charge. We can put in the main control panel and the keypad, 2 or more door contacts, a motion detector, along with a backup battery, a full siren, all the wire, all the labor installed at no charge. The only obligation is to pay a low monthly monitoring fee of $25.95 per month. And once you get that system installed, the great thing is you get now discounts off your home insurance. Normally, when you own an alarm system that is monitored, you qualify for insurance-related discounts. At SafeTech, we've gone one step further. We've negotiated with a large international global insurance company a group rate discount for our more than 10,000 monitored alarm clients. So give our loss prevention expert a call and ask about the Hayden Certified Insurance Program at 416-229-9902 and get the insurance discount that you deserve.